Okay, student, now let us take question number 2. What is the question? A tree breaks due to a storm. Okay, there is a tree which breaks due to a storm, and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. Tree is broken and it touches the ground. Okay, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Distance is 8 meter. Where the top part of the tree touches the ground. Okay, find the height of the tree. Now let us see. At first, draw the figure. Say this is the tree. Okay, due to AB is the tree and BC is the ground. Okay, suppose due to a storm this tree breaks at the point, let us say this point, at this point D. This part of the tree is broken due to a storm and it bends and touches the ground at C. Okay, then write down like this: AB is the height of the tree. Okay, tree broken AD, this one is the broken part of the tree. Okay, and this part, now CD, this CD is the new position of AD. This broken parts bend like this, then CD is the new part of new position of AD. Okay, then CD is the new position of broken tree. Okay, say this AD equal to y, this one to be y, and this BD equal to x. Then BD equal to y, AD equal to y, and CD is the broken part. Then AD equal to CD equal to y. Okay, this this breaks and the new position is CD. Therefore, let us say AD to be y, then CD equal to y. Okay, and this broken part make an angle of how much? 30 degree. This angle what? Angle BCD is of 30 degree, and this broken part of the tree touch the ground, where the top touch the ground is 8 meter. This distance is 8 meter. What? BC equal to 8 meter. Okay, then we have to find the height of the tree. Height of the tree is what? AB. Now AB is equal to what? AB is equal to AD plus BD. AD plus BD. And what? AD is y and BD is x. This is y plus x or x plus y. It means we have to find out the value of x and y. Then we will be able to find the height of the tree. Okay. Now let us see here. In triangle BCD, in triangle BCD. Okay. Here there are two quantities given, BC and angle, and if we take the relation between this BD, BC and this angle, Then for this angle, this is perpendicular and this is base. So perpendicular by base is tan. So here tan angle is 30 degree. So tan 30 equal to BD by BC. This is BD by BC. Okay. Or what we write? Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. BD equal to what? BD is x and BC equal to 8. Okay. Then multiply root 3x equal to 8 or x equal to 8 by root 3 meter. Okay. We have found out the value of x. Now let us see here relation between BC and CD. BC and CD. Then for this angle, this is base, this is hypotenuse. Then for base and hypotenuse, what is cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree equal to base by height. Base is BC or CD equal to this one. Then cos 30 equal to what? Cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2 and BC equal to 8 and CD equal to y. Then y equal to what? 8 into 2 by root 3. That is 16 by root 3 meter. Okay. We have found out the value of x and y. Then AB is x plus y. X value of x is 8 root 3 meter. AB is equal to x plus y, 8 by root 3, and y is equal to 16 by root 3. Okay. Then now this is root 3, 8 plus 16, that is 24 by root 3. This can be written as 8 into 3 by 3, and this is what? 8 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Then this is 8 root 3 meter. Okay. Then 8 is what? 8 root 3 equal to 1.732, and that is 113 point. If you multiply this, 13.85, okay, 6 meter. And this is AB is what? That is the height of the tree. Then we can write height of the tree AB is equal to 13.856 meter, and this is your answer. Okay. We had to find out height of the tree.